This is the brief on when loyalty looks like corruption. What if somewhat agreeing to send a cheat sheet to a close friend isn't an ethical compromise, but actually a highly specific signal for contextual loyalty? Today, we're diving into data from the Algebra of Conscience poll that totally challenges how we define our moral baselines. First, let's look at the numbers. Across 47 countries, researchers found a rock-solid mathematical correlation. It turns out, helping a friend cheat aligns with what spiral dynamics, a psychological framework, calls the orange mindset. But, you can't just think of this orange mindset as a cheater. They're strategic pragmatists. They reject absolute rules because they weigh real-world outcomes and relationships heavier than rigid prohibitions. Second, this pragmatism reveals a massive collision of competing logics. Think about how different mindsets view the exact same dilemma. Our orange strategist sees sending that cheat sheet as a totally valid exception to help a buddy, but the rule-following blue mindset, they see a pure violation of a merit-based system. Meanwhile, the community-focused green mindset sees it as a betrayal of collective fairness. So if one dilemma sparks three completely different ethical logics, what happens when a company tries to write one universal rulebook for all of them? Finally, this creates a total system fracture. When organizations force universal rules, they treat not sending that cheat sheet as the ultimate moral baseline. So pragmatism gets wrongly labeled as straight-up corruption. And when we pathologize contextual loyalty like this, we aren't building better ethics. We're really just rewarding performative compliance and eroding genuine trust. What breaks when ethical decision-making is framed as universal rule adherence? And why do some see corruption while others see contextual loyalty calculus?